Split by comma and strip whitespace in Python. I have some Python code that splits on comma, but doesn't strip the whitespace. I would rather end up with whitespace removed like this. I am aware that I could loop through the list and strip each item, but as this is Python, I'm guessing there's a quicker, easier and more elegant way of doing it.
Use list comprehension, simpler and just as easy to read as a for loop. See Python docs on list comprehension. A good 2-second explanation of list comprehension.
I came to add, but saw it had already been mentioned by Jason Orendorf in a comment. Reading Glenn Maynard's comment on the same answer, suggesting list comprehensions over map, I started to wonder why. I assumed he meant for performance reasons, but of course he might have meant for stylistic reasons, or something else, Glenn. So a quick, possibly flawed, test on my box, Python 2.6.5 on Ubuntu 10.04, applying the 3 methods in a loop revealed. Making map, str.strip, string.split, comma, the winner, although it seems they are all in the same ballpark. Certainly though map, with or without a lambda, should not necessarily be ruled out for performance reasons, and for me it is at least as clear as a list comprehension.
Split using a regular expression. Note I made the case more general with leading spaces. The list comprehension is to remove the null strings at the front and back. This works even if *\s plus doesn't match. Here's why you need *\s plus. See the leading spaces in blah. Clarification, above uses the Python 3 interpreter, but results are the same in Python 2.
Just remove the white space from the string before you split it.
I know this has already been answered, but if you end doing this a lot, regular expressions may be a better way to go. The \s matches any whitespace character, and we just replace it with an empty string. You can find more info here, this URL.
Yes, we can. This is Orient.